Hey guys, it's back in part 3. Part 3 guys, part 3. Ngayon.
Tayo lang gagamba guys, isa guys.
Okay, what lang? Kabo! Ah! Asa itong damang tili?
Yes, patay na yan guys. Dito tayo guys. Ayan guys, may bahay guys. Isa guys. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, oh, may bahay guys. Ayan guys. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, kana yan guys. Kana yan. Ayan ang bahay guys. Kulayin natin yan guys. Nak yan guys.
Ngayon, ang aking kapalinte.
Dito lang yung guys. Ayan guys, laki guys.
Asaan? Gay.
Ini, tapos dito.
Nasa loob.
Hindi natin yan guys.
Nasa loob.
Nasa ilalim guys yan guys.
Nasa loob.
Ayan, guys.
Gay ang... Ano? Nasa...
Ito guys, ito guys.
Otro guys.
Ito guys, ito guys.
No guys, otray.
Guys, tara guys. Tinahuli natin guys, maliit pala guys.
Maliit man pala.
Guys, tara.
Akin na! Sa akin na!
Papakain natin to guys. Part 3 to guys.
Part 3. Hahapit na. Hapit na matiman ba
Yung papakainin natin guys. Ito yun guys. Yung scorpion gagambang hari guys.
Scorpion, what?
Ito guys.
What lang?
Scorpion gagambang hari yan guys.
Ipaw ng sighting. Ipaw ng sa imong scorpion.
Ito guys.
Ipaw ng
Ay, tara guys. Tara guys.
ang ako na.
Pakakain natin itong maliit guys. Guys.
Muluit. Tsaka mo.
Wala siya nagkuhan.
Na. Hapit na matiman. Hapit na naman. Hapit na matiman. Ay, makadiri ko doon. Ay, kupal ba ka? Kupal ba ka talaga? Kupal ka talaga? Guys, ang gagamba aming hinuli ng sanay, ng ginagan.
Ang kulit-kulit naman dito guys.
Patyo na niya
Yes.
nasa sud.
3 hours guys. Ito guys. Nandito yung gagamba ng ating isa guys. Nandito guys.
3 hours later. 3 hours has passed. Ngayon, kitain namin ng gagamba. Patay na?
Wala pa guys. Wala pa guys.
Wait pa guys.
Pakain natin ito guys.
Part 4. Part 4.